camera. Take a look this way. Now we're on Davis Neck. See, everything is pretty damn turned up. Wave's gonna come crashing hardcore over this little breakwater. Watch this for a second. It's a nice good surf, that wave. Right over into the Ipswich Bay on that side. Davis Neck has become what it used to be, Davis Island. The worst I've ever seen it here. These waves don't usually get 6 to 8 feet right over this side. But I suppose if I went on that island to see how big they are, I may just do it. In the distance, sort of faintly, those big waves out there. What do you think of this, Dexter? Are you as crazy as I am, or what? I'll walk over here and show you some of these awesome drifts too. Really gnarly looking. It's yellow because it's salt water caked onto these bushes. There's ice about half an inch thick. Look at this, it looks like we're in Antarctica, I swear. Global climate change, but we got some warm stuff and we got some really cold, nasty stuff at times.